Okay, let's take a couple of minutes and talk about the steps to success. Building your Zija business, introducing others is a very simple process, and there's a few simple steps that we practice each and every day consistently. We teach others to do, and that's what creates the duplication process. That's how we build our business. Now, of course, once we've introduced someone to the product line, we've built a list of people, some that are interested in health, some that are interested in additional income, possibly a full-time income. We can use a number of tools that we have, whether it be the Wellness and Success newsletter, it could be any of the brochures, or it could in fact be a number of different CD presentations that we have or DVD presentations, all of which will help you project the message to others. But aside from that, obviously we want to get into how do we actually build our business when we start introducing other people. And it's a very, very simple process. We start with you. So, of course, you've come into the business, you've placed your initial order either with the liquid nutritionals, with the weight management division, or the skincare division. You've made a list of people that you would like to share these products with, and it's a very simple process. Share the product, have people try it, and then show them the business or enroll them into the business. Now, we start with you. Our number one goal is to basically introduce two people to the business. So we've brought in Tom over here, and over here we've introduced Mary, and both Tom and Mary were introduced by trying some product and maybe going through one or a combination of the tools, and have decided to join with an opening order. And once we do that, our entire focus is to help both Tom and Mary do exactly the same thing that we did, which is to, again, build their own list of people they'd like to share these products with, and then, as quickly as possible, introduce two others. Now, there will be the occasion where maybe you introduced Mary to the business. Mary really joined because she wanted to use the products and get some of the benefits from the products, but really had no desire or time or whatever to do the business. Very simple. We can introduce a third person, and that third person might be, Jack. And Jack joins, and we end up working and spending our time with Jack. What do we do with Jack? Exactly the same thing we did with Tom. We help Jack introduce two people, and the business starts to grow. Now, you'll notice two sides to the business, okay? You'll notice that going right down the middle, we have our left organization, and we have our right organization. And so the very simple process or very simple rule of thumb is this. For all of the volume and purchases and reorders that are created on this side, and all of the volume that is created on this side, generally speaking, the Zija compensation plan will pay up to about 12 to as much as 13% on the total volume of whichever is our lesser side. So, as an example, if Tom and all the people that Tom's introduced and they've introduced has created, say, 10,000 in business, then we will earn anywhere from 10 to as much as 13% on that business, and we are paid each and every week. That is a simple compensation plan overview, and over the next several videos, I'm going to go over each specific way in which we get paid. But for the basics, the only thing that we need to know is to introduce two people and help them do exactly the same. And that is the process of building the Zija business. Very simple process.